Okay, yeah, you're not far from us.
Getting ready for this bird hunt.
15 minutes from Charleston. Less than that. 10 minutes from Charleston.
Yeah, I moved.
In Virginia.
Man, I just
See if we can put some birds down.
I didn't want to. I didn't want to.
I've been a lot of.
Who got that?
Mo?
Girl, bring it here.
I felt his compression come across my face.
Oh, shit.
Kill it.
Ah,
Hey, good.
how did I do that?
Good job.
Good job. Good job.
He didn't get away. Good job, Mo. Good job.
Heck yeah.
Nice. She made it stop.
I missed that shot.
Good job. No, you good. I couldn't shoot. I didn't want to swing over his head. I know. That's all right. That's why you got to be, both got to be ready.
Ready.
Up under there.
Push closer to her. Push.
Touch it up.